Most beautiful places in Iceland. Iceland is a land of unparalleled natural beauty, where every corner of the country offers stunning landscapes and unique experiences. One of the most beautiful places in Iceland is the Golden Circle. Iceland has its own distinct appeal, ranging from geological wonders to stunning waterfalls, charming towns, and unique natural